All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the beautiful Drees Custom Homes. Now, this is the Presley 3 plan, and this one's absolutely gorgeous. So we are in the Highlands in Porter, Texas. Gorgeous master plan community. I mean, they have a ton of builders right here, but I want to bring you the best of the best, of course. So as soon as you walk in, you're going to have the exposed wooden beams on top in the foyer. You got two beautiful chandeliers, and then we'll start right here to the right inside of the first bedroom. So you are going to have the high ceilings that we so much love. I love the baseboards with the molding inside of here. This one, it just feels extremely roomy. I mean, perfect for a guest room right here. This is something where you can just have a guest in here and they have their own privacy. You have its own little closet right here, and you have the bathroom right outside. And this will be the first full bath right here. If you know anything about Drees Custom Homes, I mean, they are great. They just have extremely beautiful upgrades. They don't skip a beat whatsoever. Even inside of here, you have your shower niche right there. I love the beautiful backsplash as well. And then if you notice, I love the tile flooring extends inside the shower and outside. So that's great. And then you have this beautiful mirror frame with the beautiful lighting fixture as well. You even have a little closet right here as well. So we'll go right across the way into the second bedroom. So you have this beautiful brass chandelier coming down right over your queen size bed. And I love the accent wall right there. I'd love to hear your thoughts about that. And then of course we'll go ahead and go. So this one has the bathroom that is attached to it. So you'll have that backsplash again right there with the tile flooring. And then of course you do have the mirror frame and the lighting fixture in here as well. And this one has a bigger walk-in closet. I love that. And then you do have the carpet that's extending in there as well. And then right adjacent, you'll have the other bathroom as well, or the other bedroom rather. You have that brass lighting fixture right above there as well. This, just for reference, just so you can see how big this room is. You have the queen size bed with the two night tables, and that's kind of what we're working with. This one will have its own closet attached to it as well. And this will be your third bathroom. So you have the shower tub combo inside of here. Very unique shower surround, as you can tell, which is great. And then of course you have your beautiful sink with the mirror frame again in there. And then now we'll just take a look at the media room. Right before you go into the media room, you have these sliding doors right here. Looks extremely cozy in here. I love the foresty wallpaper that they have over here. And then you definitely have plenty of space. And even just the decor, I think it complements very well with the sofa, as well as the mirrors right there. And I love the wine cellar. So you have this upgraded wine cellar right here with the glass door going in. And this is the great room. So you do have that exposed wooden beam going straight from the great room to the kitchen. You have the waterfall countertops with the stack cabinets on top as well. And then inside of here, you have the quartz countertops with the farmhouse sink. And then you have the beautiful electric fireplace right here. I love the windows on top and the sliding glass door going into the covered backyard patio. Plenty of space. I mean, obviously the open concept is extremely lovely, but just imagine having all the family here at one time. This is perfect. This is something that is absolutely gorgeous. And then right here, you're gonna have your little informal dining area. If you notice the windows surrounding the entire house, it's fantastic. Just having all the natural light that you can have in here without having to turn on any lights if you need. And then we'll go into the primary bedroom. Gorgeous. Now you have plenty of space inside of here, without a doubt. I mean, even with the king size bed, it looks almost like a queen because the room is so large, but I absolutely love it. And then let's go ahead and pan one more time so you can see. Wow, fantastic. And then going into your ensuite right here, before you go in there, you do have the double sliding doors again. And I love the his and her sink right here. You have the oversized soak-in tub as well with the walk-in shower. This one does have a shower bench that's attached to it and built in. And you have your shower niche right there with the stainless steel shower head. And then I love this lighting fixture right here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. And then you have your nice size walk-in closet. Look how much space you have inside of here. You got your built-in wall racks right there. You got plenty of space to put any amount of wardrobe that you have in here. You have your built-in drawers right here as well, and the quartz countertop also. And of course, this is the model house, so they'll have it converted when they decide to sell this one off. Where the garage would be, it is the sales office. And then we'll take a look at the covered backyard patio right here. You do have your ceiling fan. You have the extended patio with the built-in grill. You got your granite countertops right here as well. So I love that you have the sliding door, plus you have the easy access door as well. And then this is what we're looking like as far as the backyard is concerned. And then that is the back of the property. So that, folks, is Drees Custom Homes. All right, Rankin family, so that was the lovely Drees Custom Homes. Let me know in the comments what you folks thought about it. Of course, if you do want more information, all of it is in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.